Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn more about strokes, effects, and how to export your files. So first we're going to take a frame to draw a frame here of image 700 by 400. So let's select another frame. Under your Shift key and get the fill of a dark gray. So now select the frame, come down to stroke and click on add stroke. So this is automatically add with the color of black. So you can click on the color to change the stroke color of your choice. So now when you look at the stroke again, the stroke has different position. If you want the stroke to the inside, if you want it to be centered, and if you want it to be outside, you can select based on what you want. And here also you can update the thickness of the stroke. If you add 2, you can see the thickness will increase. So when you come here again, you can change the position of the stroke, how you want it to be. If you want it to be at the top, only. If you want it to be at bottom, only. If you want it left, right, or you want to customize, then this way you can choose where you want the stroke to be. So only you want it to be only at the top and bottom, but clear this one and leave it like this. So this is how you can, achieve your stroke using this method. Now again, there are different types of strokes. You have the dots and the dash. When you click here, you'll be able to, modify the type of stroke you want. If you want solid, you leave it. If you want dash, you leave it. And at the same time, you can also modify the, corner of the stroke, how you want it to be. If you want it to be joined, this and that. So all these are the features that are there. How many dash do you want? If it is 4, 5, 6, and order, you can, update it from here. Now, one thing again, if you create your strokes like this, you can also save it in the design system by clicking on this add button here. Sorry, let's remove it. Click on this create button, then you add the plus sign here, and you can name the stroke whatever type, and it's going to save it while you create the variable. So this is one thing about stroke, and you can use different style, it's solid or the dot. So that is one thing about stroke. Now let's proceed to other properties. I'm going to click on Alt key, then drag to duplicate. Now I'm going to remove the stroke. So this time let's go to effects. Then click on effect to add drop shadow. By default, we're going to have a drop shadow of this position. Now I can increase your blurriness from 4 to 5, or any number I want, and I can also increase the spread. Let's say 2. You can see the more we are updating the number, the more the spread is also increasing. Then here you can also increase, the position of the x-axis. If you add 1 there, you can see something is added by this side. So I click on it again, I'll revert it back to 0. So this is how you can achieve that. That is what about drop shadow. Now let's duplicate this one more and look at another. Let's go to inner shadow. Now inner shadow will give you this option like this. You can see what is there. And if you click here, you can also play around with the numbers, the spreadness, the blurriness, and all that. Let's say we increase the blurriness to 7 and update it. You can see what you have there. That is what about inner shadow. Alt key again to duplicate one more. And this time, let's go to layer blur. You can see layer blur, this is what it's going to give you. And if you click on this grid box again, you can also manipulate the number based on the, blurriness you want. So we're going to duplicate one more to do the last one. So let's select all and then back. Then the last one, for layer blur, we now change it to background blur. So you can see what you have here. Now, if you click on this grid box, you can also, increase the number to see the effect. So this is how you can use the stroke and other effects. Now lastly, let's say you want to export all this and have it as a file. This can be applied to, the kind of strokes you created, or, effects, being shapes or whatever, any type of file, maybe even your design as well. If you want to export it, you have to select that frame first. Then you scroll down to export. Export is simply means you should download it and have it as a copy. So here you have range of file extension format you can choose from PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, and all that. Now, if you want to have each and every one of these files separately, there's option for you to do that. Just click on the plus sign, then the second file you can change it to JPEG. Click on plus sign, the third file you change it to SVG, plus sign you change it to PDF. Now this will give you all these 4 file extensions. Moreover, again, you can come here and increase, the number based on how quality you want it to be. So the more number here give you the higher quality. So that's it. So this is all about effect and Figma. See you in the next video.